My next question, sir, is would you agree that public officials should be held to the highest standards of ethical conduct?
I believe that, yes.
Yes. Now, in that vein, I want to ask you about two troubling financial housing transactions that you've been involved with as a state then a federal elected official. In 2003, you were an Oklahoma state senator with a state salary of $38,400, correct?
And also an attorney with a law practice.
Correct?
And also an attorney with a law practice.
Okay. Now, you lived in a second home near the state capitol purchased by a shell company, Capitol House LLC, from a lobbyist, Marsha Lindsay, correct?
It was not a shell company.
Okay, but it was an LLC, Capitol House, correct?
Which is normally how you buy real estate in Oklahoma.
You know, yes or no would work.
I'm seeking to answer your question, Congressman.
Okay. Now, what was your financial investment in Capitol House LLC?
It was 1/6 of the purchase price, as I recall.
And so what, do you remember the amount?
I do not. I did not
So
negotiate
you
the
actually
purchase
put
price.
that amount, you actually put that amount into the LLC, is that right?
That was the portion that I was responsible for,
And
yes.
did you actually pay that amount into the LLC?
I did.
Thank you. Now, it's been reported that another lawmaker rented a room in that home and paid rent to you, although you never listed your share in the shell company or that rent on your financial disclosures. Is that correct?
I don't ever recall that.
Okay. Was that rental income distributed among the owners of the shell company in the proportion that you contributed to the company?
K-1s were issued to each of the individual members. Those were reported as income through our tax filings, and so all income
Did you
was
pay
reported.
Taxes on that income?
We did.
Can we get that information, sir?
I can
Did
provide
you
you the
personally pay taxes on your income from that rental?
I can provide you the K-1.
That'd be great. Did you pay taxes on that income?
As I indicated, I received a K-1 and made
I
that
know
part of
you
our filing.
received a K-1. Did you pay taxes on that
That was
income?
provided to my accountant in our filing.
So you're not going to answer that question either?
I'm answering the question,
Yeah,
Congressman.
okay. Did you pay taxes on the income that you got for your share?
Congressman, as you know, you provide information to your accountant, they determine what you pay.
So you're not going to answer that question. Now, I have some other questions about your DC condo, but I'm out of time. And I just want to say to my colleagues on the other side of the aisle, and also to you, I'm not doing this to hassle you. I'm doing this because as elected officials and appointed officials, we have the public trust. Everything we do has to be to the highest ethical standard, as you just agreed with me. And when we have these transactions, it brings disrespect on us as public officials.
The gentlelady's time
and as the job we do.
has
So I'm just
expired.
going to continue this, and I would hope you would be forthcoming with this committee.
The
Thank
gentlelady's
you.
time has expired.